The hardworking forward of Zamboanga ko sa ba? Nickname dia doon. Donuts. Zamboanga Donuts team. Shaquiel Superstar. Omeng, point guard. Walk away. June Mendoza. Walk away daw. Shout out kung Efren, mga PYP family. Oo, takiya. Jun, shout out daw kung Efren. No comment. Takiya si Big Man Art warming up for the championship game. PYP Legends led by MVP Eding Duterte. The big fundamental, the smoking Ramil Andres. No. The big fundamental of Zamboanga City. Naga Invitational Fiesta Cup. PYP Legends. Game time, ladies and gentlemen. Backing violation. Magic Santos, Eding Duterte, walk away. Ragot Ramil, good matchup in the center position and in the power forward position. Nice pass. Diamond Superstar si Ding Duterte inbounding the ball. Steal by Arnold Santos. Major Sally committing again his favorite move, the Marco Polo move. Traveling. Juju. The songer to June. Tira Ju, tira, no tiene miedo. Ba! Oh, sina lang. Shaquiel bench del Donuts, the hardworking Mayor Padinas and the dancer Cocoy Gonzalez.
Okay. Now with our welcome Mr. Omeng, long pass Mr. Santos.
No.
Okay. Okay, towers Mr. Duterte, supporting number 18 to Mr. Andres.
To El Presidente.
Back to Mr. Duterte.
Nice! Jung! Oh, ay! Baby! Ledesma.
Andres Ledesma sumalaksa. Iniwan kay Mr. Duterte. 2 towers. Pull up jump. Short. Rebound by Mr. Omeng. Omeng to Mr. Santos. Short. Omeng to Mr. Saleh. Ayan.
Yang warm up si Jamal Wilkes. Missionary. Ha? Time out!
Oh